Oh my god, hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a review on this Micron Superior aesthetic fine glass. So this is apparently like professional dentistry material that you can use to fix like the cracks and chips in your teeth. Now I've had these cracks and chips for quite recently actually. Like my tooth like chipped off. You can see it on here. The chip and dent and stuff is just making me so insecure. Like I can't even smile in peace anymore because I'm like, yeah, this person is looking at my cracks. So I got this from Amazon for I think it's like £23, but with the shipping it was like £4.99, so I paid £28 something in total. I spent my money and I'm testing it so you don't have to. Let's go. Okay, so first I'm gonna start by brushing my teeth really well, because I saw something about if there's bacteria in your mouth, it can get trapped in the material and then that can like travel to your brain and affect your brain and lead to death, and apparently people have died from this. So if you're watching this video, let's me and you not be part of the people that died from this, please. This is what comes inside the box. I just want to make sure I've shaken and combined the other side, and you mixed up with it. Guys, this is a whole experience to film. So if you find this video useful, please give me a like. Really appreciate it, just to know that, you know, like this is actually helping some people. This is the mixed material. This actually looks really good. Okay, this is not as easy as it looks. First of all, the color is good, but it's not like perfect. It's not as opaque. Okay, hi, good morning. So it is the next day and I have officially brushed my teeth. So I'm gonna let you know like how things have gone so far. So yesterday I was on the train and I ate like 2 more times again after that, and it was fine. I drank water, it was okay. But guys, such bad news, so sad, because I had so much hope in this morning. I brushed my teeth and obviously like I'm gonna brush well, so I'm not sure if that was why, but it came off. Because yesterday I was so happy because I was like, oh my god, I have my smile back. So yeah, it is really disappointing that it didn't hold up. There is one last hope, however. I am going to test this kit on my channel, so don't miss it. I'm gonna record a part 2 of this. Thank you guys for watching.